Is your company able to respond to change? Change. Asprova APS. Those famous companies around you are using Asprova to change the future. Asprova APS is a high-speed production scheduler with global support. It has 60% market share in Japan, operating in more than 2,000 installations. Trouble. Are you experiencing these problems in your factory? Miss. We couldn't immediately give a delivery date, so we lost the contract. Over. With demand increasing, we might not have the capacity we need. Max. We have excess capacity to produce even more if our warehouse wasn't full. Transmission. We gave our customers process timeframes based on experience and intuition. We messed up big time. Change. Asprova APS will solve all of these problems. Give delivery dates instantly with planning efficiency improvements. Carefully plan your production system with enhanced transparency. Improve your yield and capacity utilization by reducing inventory. Reduce lost inventory and late delivery by sharing process information. Asprova APS can do all of this and much more. The standard feature set is extensive. Create plans that synchronize multiple processes together. Plans can also be made down to the second, based on standard time. Plans based on individual machines, molds, and personnel are also supported. Proposals are made more efficient. Develop plans that note your progress and create multiple planning scenarios. Make manual adjustments in line with changes from planning results. Improved usability. See overloaded lines and delivery delays using the GUI. Support for complex configurations enables flexibility. You can even perform data I/O that can link to other data using only mapping. Choice. Asprova APS is being adopted throughout the industry. History. Asprova Corporation was founded in 1994 as Japan's first company specializing in production scheduling software. Asprova has pioneered scheduling over the last 20 years, reaching top market share in Japan and supporting several companies in improving their production management. Today, we continue to work on development each day, hoping to change the future of the companies we meet. Awards. Asprova APS has won many accolades and will no doubt transform your company's production planning too. Global. Asprova's sales and support network spans 20 countries and is offered in 10 different languages. We're perfectly placed to continue expanding abroad. Oh, that's not all. There's still so many more features we'd love to explain. Asprova APS will change the future. For scheduling, leave it to Asprova APS.